Hey folks, going to be doing another Ttrek CCG box opening today. We're opening some packs. A little bit more of an informal style here, sitting downstairs in the living room because it's cooler down here. The box we're opening today, to Boldly Go, part of the second edition, 30 booster packs, 1 rare, 3 uncommons, and 7 commons. I believe the set was from 2005, I believe. So we're going to get that started here. Alright, let's see what we got opening up here. Pardon me in the wrist braces here. Alright. Miss the old days of buying boxes and boxes and boxes of cards. Alright. Pop that open right there. Alright. Show it off right there. Change that a little bit for you. Alrighty. Let's get moving here. Pack number 1. Alright. Okay. So we've got that. Ooh, Shinzo. That one. That one. That one. That one. And that one. So pretty good set to start with. Alright, so I'm pretty sure my eyes doth deceive me that is the 3 uncommons, my rare for the box, and my commons. So let's go through the next pack. Alright. Yeah, right. Okay, 3 uncommons right there. And my rare, which is that obnoxious board kid. And a fair decent amount of good commons here. Alright, change that a little bit, get a little closer. Alright, there we go. So those are the commons, uncommons. Alright. Pack. Next pack. Alright, 1, 2, 3. That one and this one. So this is my 3 uncommons right here. Some good ones. It's weird to see a Ben Cisco as an uncommon though. But I mean it's cool, but it's just weird to see it. Alright, this would be my rare from that one. And my commons. Not too bad. Cyrus Roadblock. Board Queen. Never thought you'd get to a point where you see a Board Queen as a common. So there are the commons. And that's the commons. Alright. Next one. Okay. Alright. 3 uncommons. Alright. My rare, which is actually a foil. And my commons. Bam. 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 And bam. Alright. Keep going here. It's nice that these boxes are still affordable too, that you could actually get these for about 60 bucks still, rather than paying hundreds of dollars. Alright, good ones. Alright, that's my rare. Alright, there's are my commons. Always liked Boothby. Of course, I also liked him as the teacher in Fast Times at Ridgemont High. He was very funny in that. And then, of course, is my favorite Martian. And there are my uncommons. It's cool to have that Quark Son of Keldar there as that one for an uncommon. That was one of the things about the second edition, is that the uncommons were actually sometimes better than the rare cards. Alright. Okay, so we got these as my uncommons. Oops. Alright. And then, okay, well this sort of stinks. This one again is a rare. Luck of the draw, you know? And then bam. 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 Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Anybody out there like Star Trek Nemesis? Other than a lot of plot holes that they screwed up and a lot of things that they messed up, like showing Picard when he was a cadet with no hair, when clearly they showed him 2 different times when he was younger with hair. You have, of course, the episode where he dies and then he has to show fighting the Nausicaan. But then, of course, there was also the scene where they show him walking, he's with Beverly, and they're going to see Beverly's husband's body, and he had hair. So, what can you do? All right, so we've got my uncommons here. And we've got my rare card for parallels. And we've got a lot of commons here, a lot of commons. I'm gonna skip over the next sets of commons, just unless I see something, because the video will just take forever then. So I'll just do the uncommons unless something pops up that's interesting. So, oh hey, well that is actually interesting. Showing that one dude from the Dune miniseries who popped up. My rare card is actually one of the augments, and nothing to write home about with the commons. Alright. What do you guys think of those augment episodes? I thought that story arc was actually very interesting. Alright, so there's my uncommons. Alright, and my rare card for this one. Disinterested Visitant. And not finding anything interesting with the commons. Alright, keep going on here. Alright. Okay, so there's my rare. Of course, seen in Star Trek 6. Commons. Nothing major. My uncommons, really nothing to write home about. Except the doctor that was in, he was in Office Space. About to lose his job, but he was on Enterprise as well as that friend of Dr. Phlox's. Again, part of that whole augment storyline, which was pretty cool. Always thought it was interesting that they were going to the Briar Patch, or at least Sung wanted them to go to the Briar Patch when, hey, there's actually probably somebody already there. All right, foil card for the rare. All right. Got it to Paul Common there. Not too bad. And then my 3 uncommons. Right there, and right there. Bam and bam. Alright. To use a terrible pun, as we keep on trekking. Alright. Another foil. Nice foil right there. Nothing major in the commons. Oh, that was a good one from Voyager for an uncommon. Alright. Continuing on. Trying to go a little bit faster here. 3. Another one of him. So it looks like I am going to have some doubles in this one. If anybody needs any for trading and stuff, and there's my uncommons. Alright, continuing on. Alright. Okay, that's my rare for this one. And again, nothing major. Commons. Alright. And then there's the uncommons for that. Alright, still going strong. Alright, there's my rare. Remarkable regeneration. Same old kind. Uncommons. There you go. Alright, keep going. Alright. Oh, okay, well here we go. Here we go. We got some main crew here. Nice. Malcolm Reed. Got to meet him once at a convention. He was an okay guy. Nothing great in the commons. Uncommons, though. Hey, there you go. That's nice. That's a good card to have. Alright. I don't really remember what the foil subset was, what the archive portrait foils, you know, any of that jazz. Don't remember. Same old uncommons we've seen. Another rare, same one I've gotten. Commons. Nothing major so far. Alright. Okay. So we've got 3. We've got a rare. Nothing major with the commons. And that's a new uncommon that I haven't seen. I really feel like the motion picture set didn't do everything justice. Oh, here we go. We got a Zephyr Cochrane. I really feel like, I mean, I know if I remember correctly, that was one of the last sets before 2nd edition, but he really could have done something more with it. Alright, got our next one coming here. I don't even remember what the ratio was for rares and stuff. I mean, the foils and everything, so it's all sort of new to me. I haven't collected cards in so many years. Alright, we got a new rare there. Alright. And again, nothing super great from the commons. And those are my uncommons. Alright. Next! I'd love to get an Enterprise foil. 3. Ooh, okay, this is a nice one. That was a good card. I really like that one. Nothing great with the commons. And the uncommons. Again, all stuff we've seen already, I think. Alright. So, I do see that they're actually doing a fair amount of things for Nemesis in this one. I like that. I think the scimitar's in this set, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, Daniels was a cool one. Daniels was a cool guy. If I'm correct, I think his father was Stan Winston. If I'm correct, I might be wrong on that. Alright, oh, okay, here we go. Foil. Nice foil. Shran. Of course, played by the ever awesome Jeffrey Combs. Put in a comment on this video and let me know who your favorite Jeffrey Combs character was in Star Trek. Were you a fan of him as Brunt, FCA? Or did you like him as Wayoon the most? Or Shran? Alright, now here's the regular Shran. Cool. And nothing great in the commons. Still going here. You don't know how hard it is to open packs when you've got major tendonitis going on. Ugh. Yay, physical therapy. Alright, some good uncommons. Oh, here's a nice one I haven't seen yet. Those crazy runabouts that I love they actually had to throw into an episode of Next Gen during 7th season to give them a little bit more credibility, that they really weren't just a big shuttlecraft. Clearly they weren't enough of a ship to have for the space station, seeing as how the Defiant showed up in 3rd season. You always knew something bad was going to happen if they took just a runabout. Like, oh, they were going to need this, they were going to need that. Like the one where they have that Jem'Hadar ship crash on the planet. Oh, what did they have up there? Oh, a runabout. Alright. Daniels. Oh, wow, that's this kid again. Man, this kid turns up like a bad penny. And nothing new with the uncommons. Oh, man, what a bummer. Wait, what is this? Man. What's this? Why do I not remember this crap? What the heck? Wait. What the heck? It's a foam, it's styrofoam. The bottom of the box. What happened to just having the box be filled with cards? What is this? Oh, it's a shame. Alright, so we got 4 packs left to go, folks. 4 packs left. I'm hoping for a portrait foil. It would be nice, I think. If I'm correct, I think there was Shinzon and the Borg Queen in this one? Maybe I'm wrong. Oh boy, another Rio Grande. Well, I'll say this though. I actually bought 2 boxes of these to open up. So, and then this was the uncommons. Alright. I started collecting with the white border premiere at a place called Joe's Hobby Store in Rochester Hills, Michigan. And me and my friend Steve and my friend Dave, we were in there. And my friend Steve and I, we just bought a bunch of packs, but they had rares available. And right then, my friend Dave, he broke down and spent some bucks for a white border Geordie LaForge to enhance his deck. And we were just like, wait, you paid $12 for this card? And he's like, yep. There's no room for this one. And we went back to my friend Steve's house and we had a ball playing. It was really fun. Yeah, I think that was sort of it. We didn't really get into it then. Many years later, of course, I wind up playing in some tournaments at the Comic Cons in Michigan. I've actually got the pictures. You know, they give you the little tournament deck box and stuff like that. I had my butt handed to me in a where you bring your own deck. Oh my God! Clearly, I was an amateur amidst seasoned veteran players. All right. Okay, we got an interesting one there. Cardassian processing for the rare. Nothing major in the commons, and the uncommons are ones that I believe I've already gotten. Last pack. Ooh. All right, let's see here. Let's see what we got. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh, man. Another Malcolm Reed. Good Lord. Ah, well. And then there's my 3 uncommons. Not the best box. I can see why it hasn't sold out yet. I mean, you look at a lot of the other second edition ones. You look at shoot, In a Mirror Darkly, Strange New Worlds, Captain's Log. You know, these are very expensive boxes. I mean, we're not talking like Holodeck Adventures or anything, but we're talking expensive boxes. And then you look at even like Call to Arms or Energize, still pretty darn expensive. Even the Reflections 2 box. But then there's this one, and I guess people didn't like the stuff having to do with Enterprise, game mechanics and characters and stuff. And I can also see by the way card placement is that it was not a very good. I got a lot of doubles I didn't need for card placement. Decent set over all in all. I mean, for $60 and free shipping, you really can't go wrong. I mean, that's $2 a pack. That's what it would have been retail 15 years ago. Hopefully, I'm going to have another unboxing soon. I got some rules of acquisition coming in, cheaper boxes again. I'm saving up for a box of What You Left Behind, so hopefully I can get that. But thanks, folks. Stay tuned for another adventure coming soon.